a glorious, beautiful, hopeless day. Hopeless in what way? Hopeless for what used to be normal. What used to be normal? What's not going to be normal now? Our lives as we know it be tremendously different. So that's why your old buddy Beans is going to show you a little trick about how to change a tire by hand and how to bead that tire with just a little more than some gasoline, some know-how, and some fire.
There's a lot of folk out there that's not too sure what lies ahead financially, with their health, with their happiness. And it's like the last thing any of us needed was this messed up situation. Put us all in one rat cage together, being separated with this distancing, but all in it together. A lot of things are going to have to change drastically, and things are obviously going to get harder. I don't see how they can go back to normal. So here's a little food for thought. At-home quarantine tutorial. For this particular project, some soap of any kind, a hammer of any kind, some type of tools of any kind that you could use to pry with. Your tire, it's got to be round. Some gasoline, it's got to burn. A sock, it's got to wipe. And yeah, you know the rest. Start by just lubing that bead up. Wipe off the rim, man. Be a gentleman. There we go. Then, you know, a little lubrication never hurt, huh? Yeah. And you gotta hit up the back too, because it needs lube as well. You really can't have too much. And of course, you gotta get forceful in just the right ways. Make sure the bead is tucked up as far as it can be on the edge of the rim, and use your body weight to push the bead on to the circumference of the rim, and just tap it on in with the hammer, using your weight each time to walk forward. More lube. More Ovaltine, please. And then will come the point of like vent horizon. And more lube. Tuck one side in on itself onto the bead. You want to make sure that it is as far as it can go on both sides of the rim. It's important because if you don't put in a tool on each side, as soon as you try to get that first bite, it will want to slip out. Like so. And once it slips over the side of the rim, you don't need the other tool. Do that as many times as you can until the tool will not slip between the rim and the edge of the tire. At that point, it is time to stand on it. Give it a little hop. This part's fun. Gasoline all the way around the bead, making sure the bead is open, and you pump air into it to get a good mixture. Light your stick, give it a pump and a kick, and that's easy as that, man. We're done. Look at that. Throw that bitch on whatever you got. It's time to go cruise.